This is Blue Level Part 2. We're really going to get into the level. You're not going to want to miss this, and it's all coming up.
There's a wind and it's blowing. There's a current that's running deep. I can't see but I know it. That something's not what it's meant to be. Hearing brother against brother now. Anger grows on.
Hey everyone, I'm Aldon, founder and creator of DanceSystems. I created DanceSystems to allow everyone to learn modern partner dance quickly, easily, effectively, and have a lot of fun along the way. I'm so privileged to have taught so many clients and watched them achieve their goals. They've used the DanceSystems method, which is a method that I've created over years and thousands of teaching hours to find the best and most effective way to actually teach partner dance. Clients have only seen great results using this method. The topic for today is the second movement of the blue level. This is such a lovely step. It creates such lovely shapes while you dance. And also, it's really a good one to get right because so many future steps, again, are based off this movement and many variations of that. Let's talk about the structure of the video. We're going to be doing the follower's explanation, and then we're going to talk about the lead. We are then going to talk about how to actually lead the step, and finally there's going to be a follow along from there. I hope you enjoy. So let's get into the content. We're going to be talking about the follower's exit, meaning the follower exits the line. The follower exits the follower's line. But also please notice, the lead does not exit the lead's line. Okay, it's worth saying that. So let's have a look at the follower's explanation. So for the follower, as always, please start on the right leg. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be stepping back on 1. From there, we're going to be bringing it into the waiting position on 2. From here, we create a new line by stepping out on 3. Please don't step large, just keep it nice and tight. Be as close to your partner as you possibly can without stepping on your partner. That's 3. On 4, we are going to step on the new line, the new parallel line that you've created. On 5, we're going to step back across to the original line, and we're going to close on 6. And then, of course, we can hold for 2 counts if we're going with an 8 count, 7 and 8. So to show you from a different angle, followers, here we go again. Stepping back 1, bringing it into our waiting position on 2, creating a new parallel line on 3, stepping across on 4, it's almost like a tightrope, stepping on 4. On 5, coming back into the original line, 5, and closing on 6. Waiting 7 and 8. So let's have a look at it from a tight angle. For the followers, stepping 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Some nice styling tips to use is to use a straight leg when you step. So you could be stepping 1 and 2, elongate the leg, stepping again 3 on a straight leg, coming again on 4, closing 5 and 6. Please remember to always keep your legs under your body, and always your legs move slightly before your body moves. So now, using the quick reference, let's have a look at it again. So here we go. 1, step back. 2, waiting position. Step 3, new line. Step 4, hold the line. Step 5, back to the original line. Step 6, close. And from this angle with our quick reference, here it comes, stepping back 1, waiting position 2, new line 3, continue with the new line 4, 5, coming back into the original line and closing on 6. So leads, you're up next. Come on, let's have a look at the footwork. So from this angle, from the ready position, of course, we're shifting weight into the right hip, let the left knee pop forward and make the connection with your partner. That's the start of it. Okay, so let's start. First step, stepping forward, just a natural step, not a big step. Remember, your heel is just in front of your toe. Step number 1. Step number 2, you're bringing in to your waiting position. Step number 3, you're stepping back. Step number 4, step back with the left. Step number 5, step back with the right and close on 6. Hold 7 and 8. So leads, let's have a look at it from another angle. Okay, so stepping forward on the left, 1. Bringing it into the waiting position on 2. Stepping back with that right on 3. Stepping back again on 5. Closing 6. Holding 7 and 8. Let's have a look at it from a tight angle. Stepping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Just to mention again, I know that's just stepping up and down and you haven't moved off your line. Please remember this is the follower's exit. So the follower needs to exit the line. So leads and follows, now that you've got your steps sorted out, leads, let's talk, how do you actually lead the step? Okay, so again, this is a lead that comes from the frame. Very little of it has to do from the arms. So let's have a look at it. From this angle first, I'm going to be stepping forward on 1, just with my frame, no arms, bringing it in again on 2. This is when I create tension in my frame, so my partner knows that that's a stop on 2. Now, this is the key to the step. As I step back on 3, I'm shifting my frame slightly to the right, there. So notice this isn't a big arm movement. I'm not twisting or anything. I'm literally just shifting my frame a little bit to my right. That allows your partner to move onto the new line. From here, I keep my frame as it is, stepping back here. And then on 5, I'm inviting my partner back inside so I can close on 6. Hold 7 and 8. So again, looking at it from this angle, I'm going to be stepping forward on 1. I'm giving my impulse to stop on 2. I'm shifting on 3 as I step back. I'm doing nothing here but stepping back on 4. On 5, I'm shifting my frame back inside to allow my partner to know to come back into the original line, and I'm closing on 6, holding 7 and 8. Tip, leads, no forcing, just an invitation. Please remember, partner dancing is about an invitation as opposed to any force. You made it to the bonus section. Well done. Guys, In dance, it really helps to have certain checkpoints in steps that really helps to get your form looking great, and also helps in terms of the lead and follow. It's almost like a waypoint or a check-in point. And I wanted to cover, as the bonus section, 2 really key check-in points that I want you to think about when doing this, in order to get this movement looking perfect every time you do it. It also feels great. So I want you to think about your second step. As you're stepping back 1 and 2, please notice I have a knee connection with Kami on 2. Now I'm stepping back on 3, and on 4, I have a thigh connection, or just a little bit above the knee. That's my 4th position, 4. I'm stepping back inside 5 and closing 6. So I want you to think about making sure that you get those connections on 2 and 4. And apart from looking great and feeling great, it's also really helps with the distancing with your partner. Please remember, in partner dance, we want to keep a consistent distancing as we travel. It makes it just look much more fluid. Okay. So we show you one more time. So here we go again. So ready is our first connection, always. Stepping forward, 1. There's 2. Stepping back 3. Here's our connection. 4. Thigh connection. Bringing back inside. 5. Close 6, 7, and 8. Don't forget your connections. I hope you've enjoyed this content as part of our dance journey. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and share with all like-minded people. This really helps to grow our channel and to get the word out there.
42 rooms, building you high, counting the days till the love runs dry. When you left, when you left, when you left, all my worries left with you, left with you, left with you, left with you. When you left, when you left, when you left, you took all your demons.